Hello, welcome back to Therapist J. I would like to inform a very important message to all the Manipur people. And the first, I want to say that 3 days we are coming for free medical camp nearby Senapati. The address is on description. Please, as much as possible, share this video to everyone that people can get information and they can come for the treatment. If anybody have a sinusitis, migraine, headache, dizziness, or vertigo, eye problem, anybody have a gastric acid reflection or any nerve problems, they can all visit for free medical camp at PK Resort nearby Senapati, Manipur district. Please keep watch, and as much as possible this video you have to share to everybody as much as possible. Date 20 of March, date 20 to 23, we are doing free medical camp at PK Park, Senapati, Manipur district. Thank you so much and keep watching. ইমান বেশি মানুষ কেনে লাগিছে কামটো বেশি ভাল ব্রা যাবলে আছে রে খুশি ব্রা